Welcome to Gorilla Corp, where we're creating a better tomorrow for all monkey
Greetings, monkey. I know you want to know who I am. Don't worry. You'll find out soon enough. But for now, let's focus on Gorilla Corp. None of us can trust them. They aren't trying to make our lives better. And today, we're going to prove it. Chloe has been helping me uncover the truth. She discovered this entrance to Gorilla Corp's restricted tunnels. Tunnels they don't want us to know about. She's already inside. We want you to go in and help us find out what's really going on. Let's find out why Gorilla Corp really wants to dig deeper.
Over here! Did the masked monkey send you? You're not gonna believe what I found down here. Hurry up, follow me. Keep moving! We gotta stay ahead of Gorilla Corp. Being a monkey rebel is hard work. You feel that too? And the floating. Weird, right? I knew we couldn't trust Gorilla Corp, but this is worse than I thought. Did you make it? I know there should be a button in here somewhere to open the shutter, but it's disabled. Let me see. I'm pretty sure this will do the trick. should be able to open it now. I knew they were up to something, but this is even bigger than I imagined. How many eggs are there in here? We have to tell every monkey about this.
Intruder!
They found us!
Activate the alarm!
You all get out of here. Spread the word. I'll distract them. Hurry, get out of here before they catch you.
See? What else are they hiding? Tell everyone. We need to know what they are planning. We need to...